Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to change eBay from dollars to pounds. If you're in the UK or just prefer browsing eBay in British pounds, this guide will make it super easy to see prices and listings in your local currency. First, log into your eBay account. Open your favorite web browser, go to the eBay homepage, and click the sign in button in the top right corner. Enter your login details and access your account. This ensures that any changes you make are applied to your existing account settings for a smooth experience. Once you're logged in, scroll down to the bottom of the homepage. Don't worry, it might look busy down there, but all we need is the country and currency settings. Look for a flag icon or text showing your current country, probably the United States or the US flag. Click it, and a drop-down menu will appear with all available countries. Now, select United Kingdom from the list. Your page may refresh or ask you to confirm, but once it does, you'll notice two big changes. Listings will start showing UK-based shipping options, and prices will now appear in Great British Pounds. And that's it. By following these simple steps, you've successfully switched your eBay account from dollars to pounds. Not only does this make browsing easier, but it also helps you make smarter buying decisions without constantly converting currencies. Thanks for watching, and happy eBaying.